What's up, guys? We're out at Dino's Gitdown, but we found a Ford and a freaking crew cab slick.
Best of
my
show.
favorite. I know, right? Best of show. We're here with my boy Travis. Tell me a little bit about this, man.
So we bought this truck from Travis Stewart out of Washington, and wanted to have a crew cab so bad. We hunted and hunted and hunted, finally found one. And so me and Amber, we ran up there, we got it, come back, and it just had, you know, the normal drivetrain, 390, the 4-speed that you can do 50 miles an hour on the freeway and all that good stuff. So now we've, Rick Bedeau out of Colorado's helped us. We've done a full swap onto an 08 cop car chassis. So you drive it like a cop car.
Modern, right?
Modernized, I mean,
all the good stuff.
So we just took it to SEMA. We left our house out here in Arizona. We drove all the way to SEMA, did a bunch of sights to see out there, drove back. Now we've been driving back and forth to here, and it's like a daily drive.
So it's on like a convict chassis. Did you have to extend it at all? Or?
They had to stretch it, I think 22 inches.
22, wow.
Yep. So, and we used Holly's standalone harness, Terminator kit for it, and a quick for training. So that way, 4.6. I didn't know they made that. That's good to know. Yeah. So that way, I know a lot of guys are fighting the problem right now on their Crown Vic squad of having to get rid of the original dash to be able to get rid of the dash of the car.
Yes.
You do that, you ditch the dash of the car, you can run your Dakota Digital, and you don't have any issues.
That's great to know, actually.
Yeah, all the Dakota
like you said, everyone fights that. They got to do a dash swap.
Exactly. This has got the original Ford dash, Dakota Digital gauges, everything plugged right in, and it is so easy to tune and run and operate. It's a blast. Getting there. I mean, we're waiting on hopefully getting some Detroit steel wheels for it, some blanks, so you can just runners for now. We got a bed kit going in the back. We got the interior going on. So slowly but surely, we want to leave the paint the way it is. It's a railroad truck and it survived. So
yeah, no, it looks good. I mean, the paint's still in fairly good condition.
Yeah, it looks good. It's got it's got its history marks. I mean,
yeah, exactly.
Everything tells a story.
No,
eventually, we're gonna build a small trailer to haul one truck behind it. We're gonna bag it.
And that tailgate, that's slick,
right?
So clean.
So straight.
It was wrapped in a towel so that they hauled hay in it or something. Whoever got it, they didn't want to screw up tailgate, so they had it put away in the attic. And so and it's funny, so this always looked odd on here because it was so shiny. And then with Solomon and